Alright, so we're just gonna go down to Balzac here and load a little 320C cat excavator, and we're gonna take that over to Gap. Not that Gap. Not that Gap either. Thanks for being part of the video, random black guy with huge diastema. Check's in the mail. It's a short jaunt. It's just down by Canmore. So we'll just whistle down there, we'll unload. We'll start the video right from Balzac because nobody wants to see the drive from Red Deer to Balzac. It's boring as shit. And it's Friday evening and it's, I left the shop at like 4:30, so I'm with rush hour, everybody else that's trying to get away. So here we are, boss phones me up at like 3:30. He's like, got a hoe, we gotta move ASAP. I'm like, okay, I'll do it. He's like, come get some.
Come get some.
It's just a little guy. No corks. Try to keep her on the trailer. Pretty clean. Nice, nice, nice. Grease daily. Not my problem. Whoa, almost fell out. I'm taking a leak. Oh fuck, I broke.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. I think a fall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my. There goes a sight.
They say the truckers, they never check their loads. Here I am checking my... Oh shit, that's loose. It's a good thing I checked. Ugh, the important part's tight. Boom always comes loose. You can tighten that thing 20 times in a trip, and it'll come loose every time. We're out here, we're just west of Calgary on Highway 1. It looks like they got some recent snow. Good for the ski hill. As Jeremy Clarkson said, I got my condensed sun.
James?
Yeah.
That's not a lorry, that's a collapsed sun, isn't it?
We're tightening that a stitch to get my bent ass winch bar. Oh, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Whoa, almost tripped. Shit! Face plant. Tripping hazard, my bungee. That ought to do, that'll keep the boom from going anywhere. Got a minor air leak on the dogs for the winch. Only leaks with dogs out, but I'm not used to not driving around with the dogs in, just in case I forget.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Distracted driving. Whoa, whoa, Jimmy, whoa. Two hands, two hands. Demonstrating my skills. Slow. What'd you just call me, retarded?
Oh, look at that, what an idiot.
I can't hold it in my mouth. My mouth isn't big enough. Back in the case you go.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from there goes a sight.
Well, that's that. Time to get the hell out of here. Looks, there's some cool stuff here. That guy. Too bad it's not daytime. Just sitting over here purring away. Yeah, if it was daytime, I'm right in the mountains here too, and you can't even see nothing. Love driving down here, but not at nighttime. Can't see nothing. Home sweet home. +6 at Gap down by Canmore. You get here, it's -10. Beauty. Heat seat. That wraps her up for tonight. Just made her under the gun for midnight. Don't have to do an extra log sheet.